Okay, so I came across this little mascara. It's called My Black Mascara. And it does wonders. Like, watch. Like, what? Are you kidding me? What? The roots look like they have so much volume. Mind you, I had already curled my lashes with the Revlon lash curler. What? One freaking coat. No. Look at that. What? Okay, second coat. And wiggle. Oh my goodness. Can you ask for more? What? Okay. Let me do it all my makeup. Well, I'm just gonna do lips now. What am I talking about? All my makeup. All of it is done. I can't stop. I can't stop. Wow. And this is literally 2 coats, and barely 2 coats. Like, the first coat was most of it. What? Okay, look at that. It's all done, and all I used was like this guy, which is by Clarins, My Black Mascara, and I curled it, and that's it. These lashes are a little bit shorter than these ones because they're just like weird, but like, oh my goodness. Wow. Give it a try and see if it works for you.